Have you ever pondered over the question, can machines think? Well, that's the fundamental query that birthed the concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, as we commonly know it. AI is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's an integral part of our daily lives, influencing everything from our shopping habits to our work routines. It's a broad field, with diverse interpretations and capabilities, from recognizing human speech to predicting consumer behavior. Now, it's time to delve deeper and explore a specific aspect of AI that's shaping our world. Imagine a machine that learns from its experiences. Sounds intriguing, right? Now, this isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but an everyday reality thanks to the magic of machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that gives machines the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as teaching a toddler how to differentiate between a cat and a dog. You show them pictures, they make mistakes, they learn, and eventually they can tell the difference. That's essentially what machine learning algorithms do. They learn from data. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the types of machine learning methods. First up, we have supervised learning, where the machine is given a labeled data set to learn from. It's like having a teacher who guides you with the correct answers. The machine learns the patterns and then makes predictions on new, unseen data. Next, we have unsupervised learning. Here, the machine is left on its own with an unlabeled dataset. It's like handing over a jigsaw puzzle to a child and letting them figure it out. The machine tries to find hidden patterns and structures within the data. Finally, there's reinforcement learning, where the machine is not just learning, but also interacting with its environment. It's like learning to ride a bike. You pedal, you fall, you get up, and you try again. The machine gets rewards or penalties for its actions and learns to make better decisions over time. These machine learning methods are the foundation for many of the AI applications we see today, from voice assistants that understand our commands, to recommendation systems that know our preferences, to autonomous vehicles that can navigate the roads. Machine learning is indeed a fascinating field of AI, but how does it understand us humans? How does Siri understand your commands, or how does Google translate languages so efficiently? A question that many of us have pondered upon. The answer lies in the fascinating realm of natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between humans and computers using natural language. The ultimate objective of NLP is to read, decipher, understand, and make sense of the human language in a valuable way. Imagine having a conversation with your computer and it understands you just like a human would. That's the magic of NLP. It's like teaching an old dog new tricks, only this time the dog is a computer and the trick is understanding human language. Now, let's delve into some applications of NLP. First up, chatbots. These are computer programs designed to simulate human conversation. Whether you're ordering a pizza, booking a hotel room, or asking Alexa to play your favorite song, you're interacting with a chatbot. Through NLP, these bots can understand your requests, respond appropriately, and even learn from past interactions to improve future responses. Next, we have language translation. You might have used Google Translate to decipher a foreign language or to communicate with someone who speaks a different language. NLP is the technology that powers these translations. By understanding the syntax, semantics, and context of sentences, NLP can translate languages with surprising accuracy. Finally, let's talk about sentiment analysis. This is where NLP shines in understanding not just what we're saying, but how we're saying it. Companies use sentiment analysis to gauge public opinion about their products or services. By analyzing text data from social media, reviews, and surveys, NLP can identify and extract subjective information, helping businesses understand their customers' feelings and attitudes. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather or use Google Translate, remember you're experiencing the power of natural language processing in action. While NLP enables AI to understand and process our language, there's another aspect of AI that's equally riveting. Do you ever wonder how self-driving cars recognize obstacles or how your phone unlocks with your face? This, my friends, is the magic of computer vision in artificial intelligence. It's a field that focuses on teaching machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. In simpler terms, it's all about giving machines the ability to see and understand the world around them, just like we humans do. Now think about this. When you see an apple, how do you know it's an apple? You've learned from past experiences to recognize its shape, color, and texture. Similarly, computer vision uses a technique called image recognition to teach machines to identify objects. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes. But in this case, we're dealing with millions of pixels instead of simple shapes. But it's not just about recognizing objects. Computer vision goes a step further with object detection. This is where a machine not only identifies what an object is, but also determines its location within an image or a real-time scene. For instance, this is how self-driving cars identify pedestrians or other vehicles and navigate safely around them. And speaking of self-driving cars, let's touch on one of the most exciting applications of computer vision: autonomous vehicles. These vehicles rely heavily on computer vision to interpret traffic signs, detect obstacles, and make split-second decisions. This technology is not just revolutionizing the automotive industry, but it's also paving the way for a future where traffic accidents could become a thing of the past. Moreover, computer vision is also making significant strides in sectors like healthcare, where it's used for diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, and in retail, where it's used for inventory management and to enhance the customer experience. As you can see, computer vision is an integral part of our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. From unlocking our phones with facial recognition to revolutionizing industries with autonomous vehicles, it's clear that the potential of computer vision is vast. And as AI continues to evolve, it brings with it certain responsibilities and ethical considerations. So as we continue to embrace these advancements, let's also remember to navigate this journey with caution and responsibility. And scene script. AI is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility, right? As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, we mustn't lose sight of the ethical considerations that come with it. It's easy to marvel at the vast capabilities of AI, but the ethical compass guiding its use is equally crucial. Let's start with algorithmic bias. Bias in AI is not about the machines themselves, but the data they've been fed. If an AI is trained on skewed data, it will make biased decisions. For instance, a hiring algorithm might favor male candidates if it's been trained predominantly on successful men's resumes. This isn't a conscious choice by the AI, but a reflection of the data it's learned from. To combat this, we need to ensure diversity and fairness in the data used to train AI systems. Next, let's talk about privacy. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, it's no surprise that privacy concerns arise. From personalized ads that know a little too much about our likes and dislikes, to facial recognition technologies that can identify us in a crowd, the potential for misuse is apparent. It's essential to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving individual privacy. Lastly, we have the responsible development and use of AI technologies. This encompasses a wide range of issues, from the displacement of jobs due to automation, to the potential misuse of AI in areas like deepfakes or autonomous weapons. The key here lies in creating robust policies and regulations that guide the development and use of AI, ensuring it's used to benefit society as a whole, rather than harm it. In summary, the ethical considerations surrounding AI are vast and complex. They demand our attention and thoughtful action. It's not just about what AI can do, but also about what it should do. As we continue to advance in the field of AI, it's important to address these ethical issues and ensure a fair and responsible use of AI. Indeed, the world of AI is as complex as it's captivating. From the basics of artificial intelligence to the intricate workings of machine learning, we've embarked on an enlightening journey. We've unpacked the marvels of natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and interact with us in our language, and delved into the world of computer vision, where AI sees, interprets, and makes decisions based on visual data. Our exploration didn't stop there. We've also touched upon the critical ethical considerations surrounding AI, discussing the potential biases in algorithms, privacy issues, and the importance of responsible AI development. AI's influence extends far and wide, reaching sectors as diverse as healthcare, business, and industry. It's revolutionizing the way we diagnose diseases, personalize medicine, and analyze health data. It's optimizing business processes, enhancing predictive analytics, and revolutionizing decision-making in industries. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, from the advent of artificial general intelligence to the evolution of human-machine collaboration. We stand on the brink of an era where AI's influence will be even more profound. The intersection of AI and creativity is another fascinating realm, with AI-generated art, music, and content creation breaking new grounds. And let's not forget the integration of AI with robotics, changing the landscape of automation and manufacturing. As we continue to navigate this fascinating world of AI, let's remember to question, learn, and most importantly, marvel at the wonders of this remarkable technology.